Hi, it's June from Jots Journals Creations. I don't know how many times I've tried to do this video. The door knocks, the dog barks, and all hell breaks loose in my house. But anyway, what I've thought I'd pop on today just to quickly show you these little journals I've made. They'll be for sale in my shop by, I'd say by 12 o'clock tomorrow morning. Now, what they are is they're just undecorated little journals. They've got quite a nice picture on them. They're not all exactly the same. They do vary a bit, but they're all the same style. There's 3 signatures sewn in, and they're tied together with this lovely little bit of pink lace. Now, what I was aiming at doing with these is it's mainly, they're book pages, mainly book pages, coffee dyed paper, food colour dyed paper, and that sort of thing. And there's children's book pages in them, there's gardening book pages in them. There's also some Edith Holden music paper, and there's a couple of, there's some and some of them have got flower fairies in the middle, and some of them have got Beatrix Potter. I'll show you this one. This one's got the Beatrix Potter in it. You see, they've got different pages from flower books, as I say, Edith Holden, children's books, a couple of children's. There's some pretty paper in there, tea dyed and sprayed. As I say, music paper. I think that's from Shakespeare book. All dyed, and so, that's it. Some inside. Some have got Beatrix Potter inside in the middle pages, and so there's three signatures in each one. Each signature's got 36 pages and is made up of 36 pages. So that gives you, each signature is made up of 12 pages, which gives you 24 sheets, which gives you 48 sides. I think that's right, my maths isn't that good. And as I say, there's 3 in there. So that's 3 4s, 120, 3 8s, 24, 144 sides altogether in the whole journal. They're all about, the pages are all done on A6 basis. Some are a bit smaller, but you don't really want them all exactly the same. And as I say, they're completely plain. There's no pockets, no belly bands, and I haven't inked or done anything to them. The idea being that you can turn them into whatever you want them to be, really. I know there's a lot of junk journal January going around, and you know, you might want to use it for that, or for later on junk journal July. But they're nice little books, and they're not too daunting. I think because they're smaller, they're not too daunting. Now, with each book, they're all tied up with this piece of pink lace. With each book, you also get 3 different types of lace, a length of each piece of lace. You get a dozen whale tail tabs, which I've just cut out, and also you get a pack of 12 sheets of ephemera of different kinds, and that is so you can make your pockets and belly bands if you want to, or just to decorate it with if you like doing collage or something like that. I will also be adding a few little gems and possibly some buttons, something like that, some kind of embellishments, and the whole lot will be in together in one pack. So as I say, I thought I'd let you know, because they are, as I say, they're not daunting. If you haven't done much junk journaling before, then you haven't got a huge page staring at you and not know what to put on it. So some of them are just coffee dyed paper with some metallic sprayed on them and bits of washi tape and that. And as I say, they're ideal, and you can pick which one you want to do if you're doing prompts. And, you know, it's up to you how big or small you do it, really, within the A6 sizing. And they're quite lovely little books, actually. And they're all hand sewn in. And, as I say, they will come tied up with the piece of pink lace. And I mean, you can keep this as the closure, or you can use it on your pages or on your pockets when you make some pockets. Right, and that's it really. So you get a journal, book page whale tail tabs, 3 lots of lace, 6 book sheets and paper sheets and that. And also I'll be putting in, as I say, some buttons and some gems. So anyway, so as I say, they'll be in my shop by lunchtime tomorrow, by 12 o'clock. So anyway, thank you for joining me, and I hope you like them. Thanks a lot then. Bye bye.